What is going on, everybody? This is your guy Joey Bikes, and today we're going to be unboxing a brand new Daytona 150cc 4-valve engine. And I got this engine from a company called motorkit.com. I got it the other day, and I wanted to do a little video and show you what you guys get when you order a Daytona engine from them out of the box. And I'm so super excited to see what we get inside. I also have a couple other little goodies for it, and I'll show you some accessories that you can get. The company also sells them. So we're gonna unbox this bad boy and see what's inside. So far, good. They got, they definitely did package this bad boy very well. Definitely like the packaging. This stuff right there. If you're not using a knife, you should put it down, put it away. Sticker, nice. So only struggling with that box. All right, so woo. Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys actually. Let me give you guys a close-up on how this stuff actually looks. So they packaged this very well. You got everything on the sides. So let's take another look. Get this out of the way. I like this. Pretty cool. Okay, so let's see what we got. All right, so we got the manifold pipe. We got the CDI. We got the rubber gaskets and the screws for the carburetor. We got the ignition coil. We got the CDI. Yep, both of those. Oh, okay. Accessory wise, this is the guide cable set. So this is basically for your clutch cable. The black anodized Daytona clutch cable bracket. I ordered this too. This is the rubber boot for the carburetor. This is sold separately. And then, I'll put this down for a second. Ooh, boy. So they definitely did a good job wrapping this. I couldn't complain. Like, they had layers of cardboard, styrofoam, a box inside another box and stuff. So as far as the quality control, Motorkit's definitely doing a good job. And I'm doing a video on this engine because I like finding parts and engines for good prices, relatively the most affordable prices. And this company, Motorkit, had this engine in stock. They had a couple of them, and they had them. I think I paid, when you convert the euros to US dollars, I paid like about, it was 1,062 for the engine. And what you saw, what I got. And I think it's a very fair price, because some other sites I've seen them for 1,500 and better. This is a Daytona 150cc FDX 4-valve engine. Yeah, let's take it out of that little plastic. Let's see. Where's my knife? Okay. Woo! Definitely loving this engine. I'm just happy that they took care of it when they shipped it to me. It didn't come with any cracked cases or dents in the cases, so I'm definitely happy about that. Quality wise and shipping, they definitely did a good job. Definitely wrapped everything up and made sure everything was well taken care of. So I'm excited for that. Besides the price being so amazing, this engine was purchased on motorkit.com. Definitely give them a check out on their website. I'm telling you, they got they got different types of engines. They even got Daytona 125cc engines for very good prices. So definitely give them a look. You definitely find some good prices shopping on the site. And once again, I'm going to be throwing this bad boy on a monster build. So thank you guys for staying tuned to the channel. Just wanted to show you a little unboxing of this Daytona engine. And definitely stay tuned, because this engine's definitely going in probably the most beautiful bike I ever built in my life, because I already went over the parts build and everything, and I'm super excited to put this on the bike that I'm going to be putting it on. So definitely stay tuned. Thank you guys for subscribing. And like I said, let's try to get this channel up to 1,000 subscribers so I could do better videos. And definitely, while riding, always stay safe. And once again, enjoy the day. Thank you. This is your guy Joey Bike signing out.